Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. This is Anupam Mishra and in this video we are going to study algebra of class 7th maths. Algebra. There are two types of algebra, constant and variables. We will study both of them one by one. Constant. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. For example, 2, 3, 6. They are fixed. Now we will study variables. A symbol which takes various numerical values is known as variable. A, B, X, M. They don't have any value. We give them values. Various types of algebraic expression. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial and polynomial. These are 5 various types of algebraic expression we will study in a sequence. Monomial. A algebraic expression which contains only one term is called a monomial. For example, 5x, 2xy. They are 1 because 5x does not contain any other term. It is 1. Now we will study binomial. A algebraic expression containing two terms is called binomial. For example, 2a plus 3b. 2a and 3b both are different terms, so they are binomial. And there is another example also, 8 minus 3x. Now we will study trinomial. A algebraic expression containing 3 terms is called trinomial. For example, a plus 2b plus 5c. We can see that there are 3 terms. Quadrinomial. A algebraic expression containing 4 terms is called quadrinomial. For example, x plus y plus z minus 5. There are 4 different terms, so they are called quadrinomial. Now we will study our last topic, polynomial. A expression containing 2 or more terms is called polynomial. So we have completed our first topic. Now we will study like and unlike terms. In a given algebraic expression, the terms having same literary factors are called like or similar terms. Otherwise, they are called unlike terms. For example, x and x, they are like terms because x is common. 2x and x, they are also like terms. And x and y are unlike terms because they are two different constant variables. So now we will study addition of algebraic expression. In algebraic addition, only like terms were added. X and x, they both are like terms, so we will add x and x, so the answer will be 2x. And 2x plus 3y, they are also like terms, so we will add and the answer will be 5y. So that's how we will do in addition of algebra. Now let's solve a equation. 5x plus 7x plus minus 6x plus 2y. So 6x minus 6x is negative, so we will multiply it by positive. So minus plus into minus equals to minus, and we will add 5x and 7x because they are positive. So 12x minus 6x plus 2y. 2y is there. It is unlike term, so we will not add it. And 12x minus 6x equals to 6x plus 2x. So that it will be answer. We will not add 2y because it is unlike term, and we will leave it. Now we will study subtraction of algebraic expression. In algebraic subtraction, we find the difference of only like terms. For example, 2z minus z, so the answer will be z. And 4x minus 3x, the answer will be x because 4 minus 3 equals to 1. And there is x, so we will write x. So that's how we find the answer of subtraction of algebraic expressions. Let's see a equation. minus xy minus 7xy. So 7 is positive and the sign of negative is there, so we will multiply plus into minus, so the sign of minus will be put, so minus 8xy minus 7xy. So we will add the both negative to get the answer, so the answer will be minus 15xy. So that's how we calculate the equations of subtraction in algebra. In our next video, we will study multiplication of algebraic expressions and more about that. And if you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. And till then, goodbye.